how to create subdomain on Godaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let us teach you how you will be able to create a subdomain with your domain in Godaddy, which you are able to easily do by simply navigating to our Manage button over here under our specific domain. After that, we will be able to see an expanded version of our domain settings. The thing that we're looking for is located under the DNS settings over here. Simply navigate to it so that we could see the content of our DNS. Over here, you can see that we have our DNS records over here. There are other parts over here at the top as well, but the thing that you need to look at is the DNS record, where you will be able to create a subdomain by clicking on New Records over here, and then simply putting in the subparallel or the necessary information over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.